everyone, how's it going today? I have another project that I will be doing next week. I looked into the US Speedo custom gauge face kit for our Jeep, our JL Jeep, Chief Blue. I already have the US Speedo kit in my Challenger with the Scat Pack logo. So I looked into this, and this is like a perfect match for what I'm doing with the Jeep. So, keep watching, because that's going to be one of the next installs. Next week I'm on holidays, and I will be doing a couple installs. So stay tuned, everyone. This one should be cool. I can't wait to show everyone once it's installed.